Hey everyone, today I have thrift flip ideas using napkins. And by the way, if you're new here, I'm Tonya. And if you're returning, welcome back. And I do hope you all like, share, and I'm going to start out with this lampshade that I picked up at the thrift store. And I had these napkins that I picked up at Hobby Lobby last year. And they had several when I grabbed these. There was some with little bunnies we're going to be using today. But this one just says Live Simple. And everyone, this made an adorable little lamp. I end up pairing this with a milk glass vase, and I love how this turns out for a really cute little night light. Now, I just put a lot of Elmer's glue on there, and that's what I use when I'm doing this type of decoupage on here. Just the Elmer's glue works fine, and I did put a pretty good layer of the glue on there. And I just kept brushing everything and kind of tapping it really lightly to get that napkin. And don't forget to, of course, peel off that extra layer of the napkin. But I love it when I find these lampshades because there is so many different things that you can do with these. And luckily, 2 of the napkins fit perfectly on here. Now, I ended up just taking the hair dryer to this and making sure that it was really good and dry before I took my nail file and just sanded off that extra paper. But of course, I wanted to go ahead and do an extra layer of that glue on top of this because I wanted to make sure that this was going to stay on there because I knew it was going to have the light underneath it. And everyone, the lights that I used for this was just one of those under the cabinet lights from Dollar Tree. And I really like to use those under the cabinet lights for DIYs like this because the light is really bright and it's just a push button. So that makes it really easy to have a really nice little lamp. But everyone, look how cute this turned out. And this just happened to fit perfectly right on there. So all I did was just take some E6000 and I went ahead and glued that down. And I just kind of left it set there for several hours while I was working on some other DIYs. But once I got that done, I just went ahead and set my little under the cabinet light in there. And everyone, look how beautiful this turned out with that little milk glass vase, and the lighting is so pretty. I picked that little frog up at Dollar Tree and I think he's adorable. If you see those, you'll have to check them out. They have several. Now for the next one, I had this oval picture frame. I've got so many picture frames, everyone. I've got to start doing some things with it. But I wanted to use some of those bunny napkins that I had. And I decided I wanted to paint my frame black. So I just used an acrylic black paint for this. And then I did do 2 coats of the black on this. And then I sanded it down just a little bit to let a little bit of that kind of gold color pop through. And that made this look really pretty. But I love it when I find these oval frames. Now I did decide to paint that white, the backing there, because I thought that the bunnies would show up a little better. Now when I first put this on here, my bunny was down too low at the bottom and it kind of cut off a little bit of his nose. So I decided to cut out a whole bunch of these little bunnies and just place them all around in this little picture, and it turned out so cute. But you can see it's kind of low. I thought that the frame wouldn't cover it, but it did. And I'm going to go ahead and just dry it really well and then sand it off again with my nail file. But I do pop that on there and kind of try it out. And then I realized that it was going to be too small. But I did go back and sand that picture frame off, like I said. But see, you can see it kind of cuts it off. But then I thought, you always see so many bunnies together. So I'm just going to fill this up with, I think I put like 3 little bunnies in here. And then I cut out just a few more florals and popped down in underneath that bunny. But I thought that was such a fun way to do this. And I really like how it turned out. But everyone, I hope that you're enjoying the new schedule. Like I said, Tuesdays is going to be the thrift flips. And then, of course, Fridays, I'll be doing the DIYs as far as like Dollar Tree and dupes and different ones like that. And then, as of right now, I'll do the Trash to Treasure on Sunday. I may switch that up a little bit and do some DIYs. But everyone, look at this little bunny picture. I love this one. It's just a nice little spring decor piece that you can put on your shelf. Now for our next one, I found this little tin, it's just like a flower vase, and I thought I'm going to try a napkin on here, and I wanted to kind of have that black outline. So I just outlined around the bottom edge and on the little balls that were on the bottom, which was the feet. And then I put a good layer of my Elmer's glue on there. And these napkins I found at Goodwill, I think it was last year, and I think they're probably like 15, 20 years old, I think is what the date was on there. But I just thought they were really super pretty, and I thought it looked really nice with that little bit of black around the bottom. But I thought it was just a fun little scene. It had that pretty green that I enjoy, and then it just had a little garden theme around the bottom with the watering cans. And I was worried about tucking this in there, but I just glued it down really well because I knew I was going to be having lots of greenery in this one. And then I put a nice layer of the glue on top to kind of seal everything in. And then I just popped a pool noodle down in there. And that worked great for me to stick my florals in. But I ended up really loving this one. Once I got it done and I had it setting up on a shelf, I thought it turned out to be a really beautiful little spring decor piece. And here it is displayed, everyone. And you'll have to let me know what you think of this one in the comments. But isn't that napkin beautiful? I just thought that it was such a pretty color with the green and all the little leaves and the watering can. Now for our next one, I found these wood bunnies, and I had lost my clip that I filmed this, but they were white, and I just painted them a chocolate brown. And then I decided that I wanted to use these napkins. Now it's going to be really faint, but you could still see enough of the design that I kind of liked how it turned out. I just wanted the little baby bunny to be a little bit different than the chocolate bunny. So I went ahead and popped that on there. And then I had an idea, instead of doing like a ribbon or some type of bow like that, I just took another one of these napkins, folded it up like this, and just made like a little scarf to go around the bunny's neck. And I just thought that was just a fun and different idea. And then I just finished it off by adding a little vintage button on here. But this was really fun and just quick and simple design. And I thought this was really neat that I found these bunnies at the thrift store. They were white and just kind of aged and dirty, and I just cleaned them up and then painted them. But I love the little chocolate bunny, and I thought this made an adorable little pair of the mama bunny and her baby. And I did another little scarf on the baby bunny, and then just added another little button on there. Now, I did go back and I ended up putting a little bit of the napkin in the ear on each one of them. And I didn't show that on camera, but I did go back and add just a little pop of color also to the tail. But everyone, I thought these little thrift flips turned out wonderful, and I hope that you enjoyed them today. Now, here's our little bunnies, and I think they are absolutely adorable sitting on the shelf, and I love the little chocolate bunnies. I think they are really cute, like the black ones. And by the way, I do have two more that I didn't have filmed, but these are just really cute ideas. I had this little white bunny and that little wooden vase, and then I just took this little wire stand and added some ribbon and painted it black, and this made a beautiful little tier tray decor piece. And I also had this little black bunny that I did, and I just, like I said, it was white. I painted it black and added that cute little vintage sign, and I just wanted to share those two with you, even though I didn't have the clip of where I filmed it. Well, everyone, that is it. I hope you enjoy these. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.